So yeah, I hate my summer now. Basically, she had us get up 7:30 in the morning to get our nails done at 9, and the place is not even open. Like,
I really thought it was open.
can't believe this. I really wanted my nails done. Everything is starting off bad today. For you, at least. You forgetting your phone.
Don't tell me I forgot my phone. After I was sitting here peaceful. Call my phone?
Oh my god.
I don't understand. People use it for their day.
And I know you see how stupid and ugly my hair looks. I cannot wait to put in my sexy formula hair again, even though it looked like a matte ball when my sister had it. Yeah.
Like, that's crazy that barbershops is open right now.
Yeah, they just opened.
I feel like they open at 9:30. It's like,
Chanel, the freaking gate is down. Nobody's not even preparing to go in there. The gate is down.
it is that high.
Exactly. So now the plan is to go shopping at, Nike and Forever 21, and then I'm gonna take her to the movies. To the movies. Oh, sorry. But anyways, oh, what am I doing? Okay. So finally in Queens, about to get my nails done, and then I'm gonna shop at Nike, and then eventually make my way to the movies and go back home and edit this video. So yeah. What? Yeah, they do. So yeah. So this is my feet. This is so sloppy right here. Like, she could have at least did something about this. This is one thing that's blowing my eyes right here.
She gave me a money.
Yeah. Very so ever come to this shop, Royal Beauty, that's in Skyview Central Mall. They are horrible. Like, they charge you freaking $30 for an acrylic. You know how much I can get in Brooklyn or the Bronx for an acrylic? They're bugging. Like, seriously. Hold on, let me go here, Chanel. I'm gonna return something. For some strange reason, she always wants me to pick her up on an escalator.
Because I always do that.
So freaking funny. But just came from Nike. Come on, up there. They got Forever 21. But I know you're so used to the discount now, you don't even feel like. No, the Nike, being the fact that you paid $5 for a shirt, now you're about to go to Forever 21 and pay the regular price. All right, get off, down.
I hope it's not another one.
But are you going? All right.
And I want to eat too. You got my everything.
I'm about to go to Old Navy. I hope they have something in there for her, because she needs some shoes for school. She already has shoes, but I want to get her some boots or just some slip-on shoes for school, whatever. But this mall has a lot of different stores in it, a lot of good legit stores here. No, I'm just going straight to the kids section. And I need to find a white shirt, a regular white shirt. Right here. This is a large. I gotta get a shirt for this place here. Now we're about to see what they have in Old Navy for Mir. You think I should get some regular sandals? No, let me just wear my gray ones. Mir already has something like this already. I know. I am. Let's just go straight to the shoes. Hi guys. Hello. After a long day, I am finally home. It was a long day. I even took a nap. Like, I'm really tired. Ma, there's a ladybug again in the kitchen. A ladybug. On the roof again. On the roof. In the kitchen. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys the ladybug too. This is the second time. I don't know if it's the same ladybug or it's a different ladybug, but this is the second time.
It's white or black, Mommy.
Red. Ladybugs are red.
Huh. You always say ladybugs. Look at my TV.
No, I'm not showing the TV right now.
Wow.
But wait, stop, Mir. So basically, we went shopping today. And pretty much, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I didn't get much because I don't have much. I still need to get my nails done, which I didn't get. I got my feet done.
And my feet.
And I still have to get her a book bag and another pair of shoes.
And
Stop, Mira. And another pair of shoes. So it's like I really need to pretty much, you know, do other things with my money. But I just treated myself to got myself a pair of new sneakers, which I'll show you guys in a minute. And I got myself a new foundation, which I'm definitely going to be reviewing. I'm so excited to try this foundation. The hype is real on this foundation. I just want to see if it lives up to the hype. I'm not quite sure if it's my shade, so you guys will definitely see a reaction video. I'm going to record that video on Sunday. And that video should definitely be up by Monday, Tuesday. I'm trying to be more consistent with my videos. So thumbs up this video for me being consistent.
We could do
Meaning like the video. Let me know that you guys like the vlogs. I'll definitely keep them coming.
And I go do my curly hair. Actually see right now, but you can't see right now because I go do her curly hair right now, and you go watch the video.
Oh gosh.
Right, Mommy?
Yes. All right, Mira. And that is really much it. I'm just trying to be more consistent with you guys. I know for myself, I love watching vlogs, and I just want to, you know, pretty much do the same.
Me too.
The hair that I was wearing earlier today, a review of it definitely should be up, so definitely make sure you go check up that. And I'm gonna be wearing a new hair on Sunday. Sunday is like the big day. It's like this Labor Day kind of fun in the sun beach kind of thing that I'm doing with my family, so definitely lots of vlogging. That video should be up Monday or Tuesday, maybe even Wednesday. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be a cool weekend. On the grind to get another job because my current job does not pay enough. The least of hours I've ever seen was 12. The most I've ever seen was 25. And it's like, how the heck?
I think 26.
So it's like, how am I going to survive off of that? Like, how can I even get things that I want? Like, I can't even freaking go shopping because, because I don't have money. It's really annoying. Very annoying, guys. But, alright. I'll be right back. Chanel, you can't keep me out.
No.
Go ahead, Chanel. No, I'm showing the doodle. I'm showing.
So stop
I'm showing the doodoo. One? Not one, but two doodles in here. She's scared of her owner. Wow. So my mom is trying. Guys, I look horrible right now, but I don't care. Right now, my mom is trying to clean the doodle stains after my sister cleaned it up, and look what happened. Look at that. Oh. Oh my god. Look at it. Oh my god. Bella definitely wins the MVP award. She tried to clean it by scrubbing carpet with a mop. And the mop broke. She said, oh shit. Oh my gosh. This is an epic.
You remember when we went to the family reunion and Bobby's wig fell off?
Yeah. No, I don't think I was
You didn't
there.
go to that one.
No.
We was cause we was it was like an obstacle course up there. Bobby thought she was running and like she slipped and fell. Her whole wig like literally fell off. The whole wig fell off. I'm like, yo.
Yo, she probably thought she was dumb cute the whole time.
You what?
Acting fancy and stuff.
You know. I didn't. I briefly showed her.
Look at me too. Me too.
I think who was there?
I was really acting
Malin?
fancy.
I would hope Malin wasn't there.
Yeah, I think.
Yes, everybody was there, for real. So I was really acting fancy, yo. It was this guy that liked me and everything. He was not tall or everything.
He
was
might
like,
realize she's a dog.
Oh yeah.
He was really like, really feeling me. Every time I went there, he liked me, like and stuff like that. So
I was little
there.
and I could tell that you was acting like you was all that.
Yeah,
Like,
all the time. I'm
you was
always like
really
that. We like playing, I think freeze tag or whatever. So, no, not freeze tag, still a bacon. And it started raining. It started raining and the grass was slippery. So, we like running and stuff like that. And then I went to get the thing and then come back and it slid. Yo, that train slid and it just had.
oh my god.
I hope, did it fly far?
It came on and I was just on the ground crying.
How was she?
Like,
You was crying?
I was acting like I was hurt.
Like I knew she was
It was embarrassment.
Yeah, I was just acting like, like I was just on the ground, like crying, like a basically,
Thank
I
God.
had hair or not.
But
Of course, they probably thought that was my hair, but then, for some people that didn't know. So I was just, it was like
That's why
2
you
more
always
days
gotta
for me
slow
to
it
go
down.
home. I wouldn't come out no more or nothing. My cousin's like,
So
girl,
Chanel, so you just went out by yourself?
yeah, they
honestly, I don't
put
remember.
Madeline and them and stuff, but I would not come out the house. I just stayed in the house. I was like, no.
You was like, oh,
I was
we
like
ain't gonna
really
get
torn back.
Madeline
I couldn't
again.
wait till those 2 days came so I could go home. Like, and then my aunt, she was like, don't worry about it. Most of these people in here, girl, have wig. I have a wig on. It ain't the point of you having one on.
Look at
Nobody
me,
see it
dude.
like
Look
that.
at
Nobody
big
see it
dog,
like
dog.
that. She was like, you want me to pull my wig off, girl, so people can see me too? Would that make you feel
What?
better? I just didn't care what she said. I was just like, nah. I just wanted to hurry up and go home. Never went back to see them again. What was the most embarrassing moment in your life? Like,
I don't remember how
you showed mirror that
No.
That's
You don't got one,
That's
Chanel?
not embarrassing because she
Because I willingly
voluntarily.
did.
I was like little. I don't know how. I must have been like. What age do you start like your underarms start like? What age do your underarms start smelling or whatever?
I don't know, probably
Like
usually.
12 or so,
Yeah,
or
something
13?
like that.
Like I don't have good memories, so I really don't remember it clearly. But I remember that we was in summer camp, I believe, and I guess my underarms was smelling, and then like the staff was so freaking ratchet, like who underarms? They like who underarms smell like that, like blah blah. They like, oh, we gonna go around and smell.
They said they gonna go
We gonna
around
go
and
around
what?
and smell all y'all underarms and stuff. They went to each other like, oh, yo, it's not funny. And then like when they got to me, yeah,
That is very
but it was so long ago that I don't even remember the embarrassing feeling. Like I know you might still remember yours, but I really I know that was embarrassing. So
what happened
when they got to me, like I kept it close and I was like I didn't raise it. Like I just told so they had to know you because I didn't raise my arm, so I'm just like I had my arm closed. So basically that was that.
And what they said,
like they were staff, so they couldn't
but why would they shout people out like that?
Yeah.
Going around having people. They knew it had to be somebody in there.
Exactly, but I don't know why they did that, but basically they did that, and then that was that.